Okay, you guys, we're cooking T-bone steak today. Don't they look yummy? On the Power Smokeless grill. The mister is cooking them. I got them from Winn-Dixie. They thick, right? Ooh. Y'all, this is our first time using this, right, babe? Mm-hmm. This is what he got it set on. This looks so good. Once he flip it over, I'm going to come back and show you guys how it turned out. As you can see, no smoke, no nothing. I'll let y'all see once he flips it over. Y'all, we only cooking 3 of them because it's only 3 of us. You see how thick these things are? It was 3 in the pack from Winn-Dixie for $16, you guys. Ooh, the mister used this seasoning. Let me show y'all the seasoning. I ain't gonna show y'all all his secrets, but here's one. Oh, do y'all see that? That's that liquid yum yum. Try that on your steaks. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that, y'all. Do you hear it, though? Do you hear that sizzle? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You see that grill line? Mm-hmm. Don't look dry. Still got that juice to them. Looking so good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We'll see. We'll see. Check this out. That's the name of it. Okay, you guys. This is the finish. Y'all see we done pinched off this side. Yummy, 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 yummy. Now he done put one in the air fryer. So now it's gonna be air fryer versus smokeless grill. Let's see which one is the best. How long is it gonna take, babe? Can y'all see it? Can't see it. I like it though. It tastes pretty good. Y'all, the mister not used to T-bones. He used to ribeyes. So, we'll see. Looks yummy though, right? Okay, you guys. The mister said the difference between the T-bone and the ribeye is more flavorful than the T-bone. That's why he preferred the T-bone. The ribeye. That's why he preferred the ribeye over the T-bone. And of course, we're watching football, his favorite. I'm about to cut up these tomatoes and some cucumbers so we can have some salad. And instead of a big potato, we're trying to get a little bit more healthy. We're gonna do this mashed potatoes right here, the Ida. Who this is? Ida. Okay. And it's the loaded baked potato. And this is the family size. I don't know. This is the only one they had. So I got literally all 3 packs. They didn't have a smaller version. They just had the family size. It serves 8. But, yeah. I like it. It tastes really, really good. Let me show you guys. It's gonna be gone by the time it's time to eat. The little monster Janelle don't eat steak like that anyway, so we can eat this one just to be eating. But it's so good. So good. I like it. He says alright because it's not.
Maybe because it's not on the grill either. On the actual grill or charcoal.
Not on the actual charcoal grill, so it don't have the charcoal taste.
Right.
But I thought that's the whole point of the smokeless grill. But it still don't have charcoal, so it don't have that taste. Yeah, excuse the TV in the background. Okay, y'all hear him talking? Okay, I understand. But I think it's pretty good. I just drank a whole bottle of water, you guys. And I'm on my second bottle. But I feel like I'm dehydrated because, you know, when you get dehydrated, your lips be a little darker than normal. And they be dry. I just put lotion on them. Not lotion. Girl. Some chapstick on them. But they dark. And I'm thinking it's because I'm dehydrated. But I just drank a whole bottle. And I'm on bottle number 2. And I'm finna drink that. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the weather changed. I don't know, y'all. But this is Cooking with Water Roots. Technically cooking with the mister because I'm not cooking nothing. I'm just actually fixing a salad and gonna fix these mashed potatoes. And y'all get a sneak peek of the Valentine's/winter decor. That video should be out already by the time y'all see this, because y'all not seeing this till next Sunday, and today is actually Sunday. So y'all know I only do Cook with Roy Roots on Sunday, so this won't post till next Sunday. So that video should already be out of the living room. But if not, comment below and I'll post it. All right. So we'll taste the one that's in the air fryer versus this one, and we'll tell y'all which one we like best. We'll be back. Okay, you guys, this one right here is the one that came out the air fryer. It's juicier. It's like way juicy. Look at all the juice. This is juicy, don't get me wrong. You see, it still has juice on it as well. But this one is like way juicier. Look at that. But we're going to taste them and let y'all know. Okay, YouTube. This is the cucumber, tomato, and egg for the salad. Y'all see how fine I cut them up? This is what I did. I don't know where the knife at, y'all. To put it up. But this is what they look like. That's the finish of the steak. Y'all, this steak right here, this is the one that came out the air fryer. And it's good, y'all. Yeah. I think I like the air fryer better. Okay, so I think I like the air fryer better. It's more juicy, but it's still good. Still yummy. Babe, you gonna give me the lettuce? I put the bacon bits in the door. So this is Sunday Cooking with Roy Roots. We have mashed potatoes, we have steak and salad. And we about to eat. Y'all, I don't like that my lips look dark, but I've been drinking water. See, now I'm at half of this bottle. And I had the other bottle. But I'm thinking I'm dehydrated. I don't know why, but I think I'm dehydrated. Let me mix this salad up. Again, excuse the TV, but the mister watching the game, and we're not about to interrupt that. Oh, y'all know how mean it is about their TV. Who finna touch it? Who finna touch it? I'll wait. I almost forgot to show y'all what dinner looked like. We grubbing. Look at Janelle. Lord, don't pay her no mind. Her bad. I know y'all gonna be in the video time. Why she always have on bonnets? No, I'm just joking. But I almost forgot to show y'all. Let me show y'all on my video. Okay, so here's the salad. Don't it look yummy? Then here's the steak and the mashed potatoes. Ooh, yummy. I'm about to add some. This is what I'm gonna add to the salad. And some Italian. They like the ranch. I don't do ranch. But this is dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye.